Okay, besties, so I want to say it's been about almost 3 months since I've last recorded and edited this video, and I just want to give y'all a heads up that it is extremely choppy. I don't know what I was doing, I don't know what I was on when I first edited this, because I'm cutting myself off mid-sentences and shit, so, and then I'm re-editing it now, and for some reason I left in all the clips of me just rambling about nothing, so I'm taking that out, so the video is even more choppy. So this video, it's just a lot, but I still want to post it because I want to start posting more on YouTube, and any video I could get, I'ma post. So good morning. Say good morning, Jaden.
Good morning.
So it's 10:35 and my class by 9 a.m. got canceled.
My 10 a.m. got canceled.
And his 10 a.m. got canceled. So I was gonna wake up a lot earlier because I thought I was gonna go to class, but I just took that time to sleep in. But I'm doing a little, not a little, but I'm doing a day in my life. Literally just vlogging for just today. Anyways, so I got a bunch of stuff to do today. I was gonna make breakfast, but I'm lazy. So I'm gonna just get a bowl of cereal. Okay, so I moved to my desk because I put my to-do list on Notion. So up top, we have the more important things. I got my work I gotta do because I got notes to do for my economics class since it got canceled this morning. I gotta organize the room because there's like stuff literally everywhere. Then I gotta wash the dishes. I gotta clean my makeup brushes because they haven't been cleaned in forever. And I gotta do laundry and meal prep, which includes cooking the chicken for our fajitas, cleaning my fruit so I could eat it for the next week or so, making tuna so I have that for the next week or so. Okay, I took a look. Ooh, what the hell? Okay, girl, everything going wrong. Like, what? So I took a quick break from like putting the dishes up and stuff because I called my dad really quick. Just a quick, brief little check-in. And Jaden's classes, well, other classes just got canceled. So he's going to go pick up my package from the mailroom so I don't have to do it. And yeah, so gonna go pick him up, and then when I get back, I'm gonna finish putting the dishes up, then I'm gonna do my tuna, clean and cut up my fruit, and then basically do what else I gotta do before I gotta go to practice at 3. Jaden!
Stop filming my failure.
Stop! You're gonna break my tripod. Look it, he over here dropping tuna.
Dude, you want me to self-delete? I forgot to just go to the internet.
Look. He don't spill tuna everywhere. But it's okay. I got water all over here because I
Exactly.
rinsed my
Film
fruit.
your failures. So
But it's okay because my fruit is good. Jaden wants to open up my package, so damn. This is what my mom sent me. Just special. But, bro, this is not the paint palette I wanted them to send me. I had an extra large one, like a huge one. Yeah, I think this is to send my AirPods because my AirPods don't work. And then, yeah, these are just my paint brushes, and my Prismacolors. Are you done? This lighting got me looking crazy, but it is such a nice day outside today. Like, it's cold, but it's like bright and sunny. It's cute. The birds are out and stuff. Yeah. Like, I got 2 jackets on right now. I got a zip-up jacket under this, and then I have a puffer. Just because, like, when I'm walking around, it's cold. But since I'm about to go to track practice and I'm about to be running around, I feel like I'll warm up a little bit. So I can just take the puffer off and still have at least something to keep me warm on underneath. Man, I am pooped. Mind you, I'm already tired because of all the stuff I did this morning with that cooking and cleaning. Girl, that took it out of me. I've been tired since this morning. That running just made it worse. These weights about to make it even worse. I'm back from practice. Weights was good. Bro, my arms hurt. Like, what is this called? Your inner elbow? It hurts so bad. Because we did Zerchers, which is where you put the bell. Not the bell. The bar that you put weights on, you have the Zercher, you put it right here.
Oh, that should be hurting me.
And bro, it was pinching my skin so bad. It was so red right here. Like, I want to say I got done with weights about 40 minutes ago. Yo, my inner elbow was so red. Then we had weighted sit-ups where we had the weights on the back of our head. Bro, that shit was hurting. I was hurting more my back than my abs. Like, so I packed myself a little snack pack because I'm literally starving and I won't have time to eat dinner until I get back from work. So I got 2 of those dark chocolate and oats granola bars, my raspberries, and my little ice cream cake thingy that I'm gonna eat.